A lot of the fans today came out to play golf with the Stormers, and we'll be catching up with some of the guys a little bit later. But so far, it looks like they've had a pretty good time. Nice to be in Worcester, nice to be out in the Boland, and of course always nice to be with the Stormers.
Die Boland is deel van die Stormers. Ja. En ons is blij om deel van die Stormers te wees. En het is altijd voor ons lekker als we so 'n dag kan aanbied. Verlede jaar was dit in die Parel. Ons het gedink ons gaan nou 'n bietjie weier vat. Gedeelte van die wins van die dag gaan aan die 2 skole vir blindes op Worcester. So ons het gevoel ons gaan dit hiernatoe bring en ek dink die mense gaan dit geniet.
That's, I think, Boland as a union are part of our franchise in Super Rugby, so great to be able to give back to them. Great to come out to a place like Worcester where a lot of us don't often get out to, and enjoy the company of sponsors and people alike, and hopefully we can support them in supporting Boland Rugby Union. I think getting out there and doing something different is really fantastic, but I need to start improving sometime. Here Aplon and John de Jong are getting close to me at the moment, but yeah, so I think it's a great discipline where you got to sort of get your own game right and not worry about anything else. So hopefully I'll be able to do that today. And it looks pretty tough out there if you get into the bushes. So hopefully I can keep it close to the green stuff.
I'm just refueling and then I'm ready to go on the golf course. Luckily we're playing a medical scramble, so my drive doesn't count. I think I won't last for 18 holes. So luckily someone can get me on the fairway and I can take it from there.
Monster! Sound effect.
Right.
Yeah, you're okay.
Right. It's dry. Yes, it's long, eh?
What did you get there?
Oh, hy's lekker.
Ja.
Hy's ook so op nat.
Baie lekker, net warm nee. Die lekker ding is die wind tel nou op. Ons is die laaste 4 bal op die baan. Ons het vasgehaak op 'n pytjie. Seker vir so 'n uur lank, maar was baie lekker.
KWV bytjie.
Ek moet sê ons het nie een fairway misgedryf nie. So weet jy hoe lyk die punte nie, maar ek dink ons is daar. Ons het eintlik by die klub is uitgekom.
Dink hy drink te veel.
Kom maar julle twee sit so skaam en skugter aan.
Ja, nee.
Tickets.
Dames en heren, de spier. Rugby Boland beginnen met die Stormers.
Voet in die camera.